Okay.
Thanks.
No, come on. I left friends happen by the way, so.
And this is one thing I have to say.
Oh, you talk too
Shut
much.
up.
You know, I feel like Kid is more of my friend than Dorian Prince.
No.
I'm telling you.
That's
what
the
I
one
feel.
thing. No, that's the one thing I want to tell you. They care.
Hello guys and welcome back to your favorite channel, Nigeria News and Entertainment. Lucy breaks down in tears as she rejects Dorothy and Prince as her friends. Big Brother Naija housemate Lucy has revealed that Kidwaya is the only true friend she has in the house. Lucy made this known while in tears after Kidwaya gave her a hug to cheer up owing to altercation she had with fellow housemates. She went on to tell Erica, who was with her love interest, that she doesn't feel Dorothy is a good friend because she doesn't act like one. If you consider me your friend, you won't behave like that to me. Yes, I know Prince says he cares, but most times the way he addresses the matter doesn't look good. Dorothy even went as far as saying if it comes to her nominating me up for eviction for me to go home, she would. Yet she would say she's my friend. She's fond of being too sarcastic about everything, and she would never even have to talk to me about things like a friend. She says she will always try to make me feel bad. The truth is that she has stereotyped me, and that's very bad because it's more like they always have something to say because it's Lucy. They always have something bad to say about me, even when I decide to be on my own. The truth is, Kid is the only one that truly cares about me, and I feel he's the only one that is my friend in this house. Because no matter what happens, he still finds a way to come back and cheer me up rather than try to paint me black, she said. Guys, what are your thoughts on all of this? It seems Lucy has decided that Dorothy and Prince are not her friend.